Are you tired of seeing overhyped promises about making $10,000 a month? Let me set the record straight. Making money as a student is possible, but it's about strategy, not shortcuts. Stick with me, and I'll share 3 actionable steps to reach your financial goals without falling for the common traps. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Choose the right vehicle. 020 3 Warzo. The first step is to pick the right vehicle. By vehicle, I mean an opportunity that's scalable, low risk, and realistic for students. Forget risky trading schemes or too good to be true offers. Instead, focus on a business model that can grow sustainably, for example, service-based businesses. These are excellent for students because they require minimal upfront investment. Think of offering skills like social media management, content creation, or digital marketing. Freelance opportunities. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr allow you to leverage skills such as writing, graphic design, or coding. Remember, the goal is to find something that generates consistent cash flow, money you can reinvest or use to fund your goals. Avoid vehicles that leave you asset-rich but cash-poor, like high-maintenance e-commerce ventures when you're just starting out. Stretch your timeline. 3-6 bucks. Success takes time. It's easy to feel discouraged when you're not hitting 10K a month in 6 months, but the key is to think long-term. Did you know it took me 3 years of focused effort to hit my first 10K a month? The internet moves faster today, giving you even more opportunities. However, even if it takes 2 or 3 years, isn't building a business while studying worth it? Set realistic goals. Year 1. Learn and experiment. Aim for $501,000 a month. Year 2. Scale. Hit $3,000, $5,000 a month. Year 3. Leverage. Hire help or expand services to reach $10,000. Success isn't just about speed, it's about sustainability. Focus on high-value skills and leverage. 6 Grier, 830. To hit 10K a month, you need to deliver value and eventually scale through leverage. Here's how. High-value skills. Learn skills businesses need, like SEO, video editing, or running ads. Clients are willing to pay a premium for expertise that drives results. Leverage. Once you hit 3K, 5K a month, start outsourcing. Hire others to handle the work while you focus on growing your client base. This is how you scale without burning out. For example, if you run a social media agency, hire remote workers to create posts while you strategize and onboard clients. Or if you're into YouTube, create thumbnails or manage content for others, and delegate repetitive tasks. Closing message. 830, 9 Sows. Achieving 10K a month as a student isn't about luck. It's about choosing the right path, staying consistent, and being smart about scaling. Start small, dream big, and remember, every dollar you earn online is a step closer to financial freedom. If this video gave you valuable insights, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Profit Explan for more tips on growing your income. And hey, check the link in the description for a deep dive into 7 online business models that could change your life.